Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So as usual, if you're watching in recording, you can just fast forward 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Gina. Alright, it is time for us to start, and today we will do a practice that's called Bija mantra. In Vedic tradition, Bija mantras are used as a tool for the expansion and widening of one's mind by utilizing the power of sound vibration. Mantra is a Sanskrit word that literally means to liberate the mind, and the word Bija means seed. So Bija mantra, or seed sound, is a monosyllable that corresponds to each of the 7 main chakras. It doesn't have any literal translation, but can create a profound transformation when repeated over and over again, as it deeply resonates in our system, body, mind, and spirit, creating harmony and balance. So, as always, let's begin by taking a comfortable position, whatever that means for you. And take a few moments to settle. Gently scanning your body, notice how you're feeling today, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you today, really? Notice your breath without trying to control it. Simply observe the natural flow of your breath in and out of your body. Now, consciously grounding through the sitting bones, bring more awareness to your pelvic floor. Feeling with each breath a deepening sense of stability, feeling rooted down. Watch your breath, and with each exhale, say to yourself, preferably out loud to create a sound vibration, the syllable LAM, L-A-M, LAM, LAM, LAM. And as you do this, visualize the vibration of that sound, stirring the release of energy, drawing in the energy of the earth through your root chakra. Repeat the mantra 5 more times, bringing awareness to your root chakra, Muladhara chakra. LAM, 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 LAM. Staying with the breath, now bring your awareness up into the center of your pelvis. Opening your awareness to the deep reservoir of creativity resting in your 2nd chakra, Svadhisthana chakra. For the next 5 cycles of breaths, with each of the exhale, say the word VAM, V-A-M, the Bija sound for the sacral chakra, and at the same time visualize the sound stimulating your creative juices. Feel the richness of that creativity deepen with each sound. VAM, VAM, VAM. Now drawing your awareness to the center of your belly. your solar plexus. Sense the determination, willpower, resting in your Manipura chakra, the third solar plexus chakra. With each of the 5 next exhales, say the word Ram, R-A-M, at the same time visualizing the vibrations of that sound, sparking the fire of willful consciousness that opens you to ease, laughter, and joy. Ram, 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 Ram. Now bring your awareness into your heart center, tapping into the feeling of the unconditional love that you are in your essence. Connected with the breath, with each of the next 5 breath cycles, say the word Yam, Y-A-M. And as you do this, visualize the vibration of that sound, opening your heart to the light and wisdom, pulsating along with each beat of your heart. Each breath, a sense of the love that you are, radiating from your Anahata chakra, your heart chakra, all through and around you. Yam, 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 Yam. Now, with your awareness resting in the light of this unconditional love and innate wisdom, draw your attention to your throat. Imagining your every word arising from the love and wisdom in your heart. Following the breath, with each of the 5 next exhales, say the word Ham, H-A-M, visualizing the vibration of the sound emanating from your Vishuddha chakra, your throat chakra, creating a peaceful resonance with all of the sounds in the universe. Hum, 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 hum. Now feeling the energy drawing up from the base of your spine, from your root chakra through your heart and into your third eye. Imagine light coming into your third eye, opening your inner visual landscape to the purity of light. With each of the next 5 exhales, say the syllable Om, O-M, visualizing the vibration of that sound, opening your Ajna chakra, your third eye chakra, to clearer awareness of yourself and your connection with the universe. Om, 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 Om. Now allow your awareness rest more gently in the breath, feeling a sense of blissful being as energy arises effortlessly from your root chakra at the base of your spine, through all the chakras, coming out of your crown. Visualize your crown expanding like a 1,000-petal lotus flower. The Sahasrara chakra, expanding the light of your being. With each of the next 5 exhales, repeat the mantra Im, I am. Stay with it, with a sense of being whole and complete in the moment of blissful being. Im, 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 Im. And now let's connect all the Bija sounds, moving your attention from chakra to chakra with each sound. Bring your attention to your root chakra, Lam, sacral chakra, Vam, solar plexus, Ram, heart, Yam, throat, Ham, third eye, Om, crown, Im, and now we're going to do it dynamically. Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Om, Im, Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Om, Im, Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Om, Im. Last time. Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Om, Im. Now release all of that. And once again, gently scan your body and notice how you're feeling now, physically, emotionally, mentally. Is there any difference between the way you're feeling now and the way you felt when you started this practice? How are you right now? As you go through your day, you can take pauses here and there. Just repeat all those Bija sounds to yourself, out loud or silently, 5, 7 times. Perhaps visualizing the flow of energy through your chakras as you do this, and see if it makes any difference in your day. I'm going to post all those sounds in the notes, in the description of this practice, so that you don't have to remember them. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow it's Amethyst's healing practice, and I will see you on Thursday. Have a gorgeous day. Bye.